Coming up on January 2022. King Monster Tiger vs. Dark Monster Tiger / Assembled Character Elimination Season 3. Let's meet the contestants on Kanye West, Painton, Fireman. Kanye West, Superman, Lotus, Elizabeth, Marvin, JR, Joseph, Cody, Jeffrey, Donald Trump, King Shark, Fire Monster Tiger, Ice Monster Tiger, Virtual Monster Tiger, Freddy, Kika and Thor. Against Dark Kanye West Trouble Teams. Dark Kanye West, Dark Jay-Z, Galland, Melaspla, Dark Land, Bluebellion, Irokio, Black Mask, Dark Monster Tiger, Dark Charlie the Anteater, Dark Poison Monster Tiger, Shadow Cat, Shadow Rat, Shadow Freddy, Shadow Kika, and Nightmarian. I will be the primary host.
And I will be secondary host.
There will be a new contest. And this season 3, you will be seeing these teams battling up for £100,250,000 with cash. King Monster Tiger vs. Dark Monster Tiger / Assembled Character Elimination Season 3 premieres on January 2022. Stay tuned for King Monster Tiger vs. Dark Monster Tiger / Assembled Character Elimination Season 3. Only on my YouTube channel.